They're coming even with a private car. Don't touch the number plate. They're coming even with a private car, not something like showing that they're working on the Department of Labor. He can have some business. This is another time. He can have some business.
Tina stinging more to Tina, but I got to hear the
Mamela is actually something. Foreigner is actually something. We actually we're called to a
special call. Give us the card. Give us the card. Give us the card. You said the police are heavy. Something is give us the card. Sneer 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 the card. Show us your 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 card. Sneer the card. Sneer the card. Sineza ikhadi lakho. Sineza ikhadi lakho.
They called me. Ukuthi ngize lana ngizokhona uku-assist according to inkulumeni nayo. Then ngifuna ama-South African naphakathi.
Where is the card? Where is the card? Where is the card? Ngakutshela amasipho sitshela wona. Where is your card? Liphi ikhadi lakho? Liphi ikhadi lakho? Vela sifuna ukukhuluma nawe. Where is your card? Where is your card? Where is your card? Where is your card?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Akwatile malunge MK ngemva kokuthi bathi baye ku company thide lapha nabayochecka ukuthi into tabo ati in order yini. Mabafika bathola ukuthi ma employees bawabhadala ngesandla, but they are saying ukuthi bona they are paying UIF ya those employees. Bambita labo budi baka labor nap mabafika laba the babasetile, obviously laba the babasetile mabafika bahamba ngema private cars ayakwata gana nabo ma-members MK basho kusho ukuthi nithengisa nge-South Africa ntigebengu nisebenza nema-foreigner. So babathe bayazama ku-explain abaqhaza indzaba yabo ukuthi no asitho tigebengu thina vele sisebenza ka-Department of Labor, why ningasiniki isithuba lokuthi sikhone nathi chaza sikhulume. Hawu bavele bayamhlafuna kanjalo nje njengoba sibona sekuliwa laphayana, but lo body nalo sisi laba labayithu basebenza bona ka-Department of Labor. So ukuthi ngilabantu ababhizi ngetinto dema-UIF. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.